Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. First of all, let's launch the Instagram app. The first thing that you want to do is you want to click on the lower right corner where is your profile picture. You click on it when you already launch your own page. The top left corner is where you see your name and your nickname, and on the top right side is the three lines that you want to click on. When you click the three lines, you will have the options menu where the first one is settings and privacy is the one that you're looking for. You click on settings and privacy, and then you click on the brand new function that was added through the recent update, which is account center. You click on the account center, then you want to look at the second part of the menu, which is titled account settings. Now you want to click on personal details. You click on personal details, and here you will find account ownership and control. This is the final menu we're going to launch. You click on it. Now you're having account ownership and control already launched. This is where you're going to find how to permanently deactivate or delete your account. Very important. There is a huge difference between both actions, and I want to make sure that you're aware what could happen if you choose one over the another. When you click on deactivation or deletion, you will simply see the page that is associated with this account or other pages associated with this account if you linked multiple pages. This is very important because in this way you might actually choose to permanently delete, download your data and forget about this account, or you can simply deactivate the account for extended time frame in which you're not going to be able to communicate or not going to be able to simply interact with your followers. This is important because anyone who actually message you or try to reach you out when your account is actually deactivated, they won't be able to do so. In fact, new people won't be able to find you at all. When your account is actually deleted, you would have 30 days in which, if you change your mind, you will be able to log back in and actually to relaunch and recover your account. This is very important. This is also the rule that works for Facebook. If you try to delete your account or Facebook page, you have 30 days grace period in which if you change your mind, you're still gonna be able to regain access to your account. For more videos like this, guys, subscribe to the channel and come back for more.